Hello, my name is Latrice Williams McKnight, and I'm a gospelologist. And I use my smile to spread the gospel and messages of hope throughout the world in a scientific way, so that kids not only receive a positive message, but learn about science as well. I do this with the help of a goofy professor named Professor McKnight, better known as Pro Mac. Hey, who you calling goofy? This year, I took on a project called School Souls, where we collected brand new shoes for children who may not have otherwise had any new shoes when they begin this school year. Did you know that over 300 million children across this world today have no shoes on their feet? Latrice and I have decided to reach out to those children right here in our own backyards. Children of low-income households have enough to worry about when beginning school, and some have to be worried about where their next meal is going to come from. Why not give them one less thing to worry about, and at the same time prevent many diseases that come from not having inadequate soles on our feet? This year we collected over 300 pairs of shoes, but we had over 500 kids show up. If we were blessed to receive this prize, we would try to place soles on as many young souls as possible for school. Let's come together like a sodium bicarbonate and a sodium bicarbonate to create an acid-base reaction and decomposition reaction, to spread smiles and create across this a love overflow.
Can you just smile for me?